Let's talk about some ideas for profit coming in from our colleagues at Money Control Pro. Neha Dave joins in with a stock that she's been talking about.
Today's stock idea is CDSL, that is Central Depository Services Limited. The Indian equity markets are on a roll, and it is not just the secondary market that is racing ahead, but primary market too is buzzing with record number of new issues. CDSL, which is the only listed depository in the country, will be one of the key beneficiary of the booming primary market as well as the optimism in the secondary market. There has been healthy additions to new Demat accounts in FY24. However, there are more reasons than just Demat account additions that makes CDSL worth a consideration. The strength of the business model, potential opportunity from mandatory Demat for unlisted companies, issuance of new insurance policies in Demat form, and optionality from the new business ventures are some of the factors that can drive the stock upside. While the recent spurt in the market activity may or may not sustain, structural factors like rise in financial savings and increase in market capitalization in sync with the economic growth are some of the factors that will continue to aid the growth of depositories in the long term. The CDSL stock has doubled in past 1 year. Currently, the stock is trading at around 40 times earnings estimated for FY26. The valuation is undoubtedly rich. However, in part it is justified by the return on equity, which has improved to 31% in FY24. While the stock looks expensive, there can be upside to the current market price driven by earnings growth. Long-term investors looking for relatively low-risk capital market business should add CDSL on dips.